How to fix Instagram sign up button not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this guide will help you easily resolve the issue with the Instagram sign up button not working. So first of all, you need to check the Instagram service status. So start by checking if there are any problems with the Instagram service. For that, you can open your browser, type in Instagram service status in the search bar, and then search. You can go to the websites like Down Detector in order to see the results. If you notice a significant spike in the reported outages, Instagram may be experiencing issues. And if the server is not a problem, you might be using an outdated version of the Instagram app. To fix this, go ahead and open your device settings, or you can also go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar and then type in Instagram. Once you find the application and if you see an update button highlighted in blue color instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After you've done that, come back and try uninstalling this application completely from your device. You can reinstall Instagram by tapping the icon in the App Store. For that, you can go ahead and tap and hold onto this application, tap on uninstall, and then tap on OK to confirm. After that, open your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and then install it from over here. This process will help eliminate minor glitches and bugs. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.